Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathnari. Now we are the discussion topic Interpretation for the Correlation Matrix Heatmap with Significance. We already published how to calculate a correlation matrix and create a heat map with significance in RStudio. That video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to this video description box. So the continue part of the video, correlation matrix heat map with significance in interpretations. Correlation analysis. A correlation matrix heat map was generated to assess the relationship among environmental parameters. Examples for temperature, salinity, dissolved oxygen, pH and nutrient levels, and species abundance, species A, B and C. The heat map visually represent the strength and direction of Pearson's correlation coefficients, with blue sands indicating positive correlations, red sands indicating negative correlations, and color intensity reflecting the magnitude of correlations. Statistically significant correlations are annotated with significance marker single star for p less than 0.05, double star for p less than 0.01, and triple star for p less than 0.001, and non-significance correlations are displayed without markers. The interpretation for correlation matrix heat map with significance key findings. Species abundance and environmental parameters. Species A and B abundance exhibited strong negative correlation with temperature. Species A R is equal to minus 0.99 and species B R is equal to minus 0.9, indicating that the higher temperatures are associated with decline in the abundance of those species. Similarity, turbidity show the strong negative correlation with both species A abundance and species B abundance. The value for species A minus 0.96 and species B minus 0.94, suggesting that those species are more prevalent in clear water with lower turbidity levels. In contrast, species C abundance displayed a moderated positive correlation with turbidity R is equal to 0.69, indicating that this species may thrive in more turbid conditions. Additionally, species C abundance showed a significant negative correlations with species B abundance R is equal to minus 0.78, suggesting competitive dynamics for ecological niche differentiations between those two species. Environmental parameter interrelationships. Temperature was positively correlated with pH R is equal to 0.93, suggesting a potential linkage between seasonal warming and increased alkalinity in the water. Dissolved oxygen DO exhibited strong negatively correlations with turbidity R is equal to minus 0.99 and temperature R is equal to minus 0.96, highlighting how increased turbidity and higher temperature are associated with oxygen depletion in aquatic ecosystems. Nutrient dynamics. Phosphorus concentrations were weakly correlated with both temperature and turbidity. Temperature value for 0.48 and turbidity minus 0.54, indicating those relationships are not statistically significant. Nitrogen levels show non-significant correlations labeled as Na with most variables, suggesting limited interactions under the measured conditions. Species interactions. Species B and C aberrants were moderately positive correlated, R is equal to 0.63, indicating that those species may co-occur under certain environmental conditions. The strong negative correlations between species A and C aberrants minus 0.78, further suggesting competitions or contrasting habit preference between those species. Implications. The significance positive correlations between turbidity, temperature and species aberrants, particularly species A and B, suggesting that those species may thrive in warm and more drubbed conditions, potentially due to change in resource availability or reduced production pressure. However, the strong negative relationship with dissolved oxygen underscore the risk of oxygen depletion in those conditions, potentially affecting ecosystem health. Furthermore, the negative correlations between species C and environmental factors such as turbidity and temperature suggesting contrasting ecological needs, highlighting the importance of habit heterogeneity in suggesting biodiversity. Conclusion of the correlation matrix heat map with significance. The correlation matrix heat map with significance revealed critical relationship between the environmental parameter and species aberrants in the studied ecosystem. Temperature and turbidity showed the significant positive correlations with the aberrants of species A and B, suggesting those conditions favor their growth while dissolved oxygen exhibited strong negative correlations with both, the highlighting potential risk of oxygen depletion under such conditions. Conversely, species C aberrants was negatively correlated with turbidity and species A, indicating competitions or contrasting ecological preference. Those findings emphasizing the importance of temperature, turbidity and dissolved oxygen as key drivers of species distributions and ecosystem dynamics, underscoring the need for ongoing monitoring and further research to understand their ecological implications. This is for the interpretation of the correlation matrix heat map with the significance on the sections. If you any doubt on these sections, leave me the comments in the comment box. And if you like the channel video, click to the subscription button. Thank you for watching this video.